Stem. If you observe a plant very carefully, it is the part that generally present above the ground, and it generally grow and bend towards the sunlight and keep the plant in straight position. If you observe a plant very carefully, it is the part generally bears the leaves, flowers, fruits and the seeds. Now let us learn more about stem. Stem, it gives structural support. That means it gives a structure to a plant. The root generally absorb water from the soil, and it is stem that conduct this water from root to leaves and other parts of the plant. We know that the food is prepared in the leaves, and it is stem that conduct food from leaves to roots and other parts of the plant. Potato, yams, ginger, onion, etc., though present inside the soil, are actually stem, and they store food within them. Now we will show how the water get conducted through the stem. So first here the roots absorb the water, and through the stem it conducted to the leaves. Now how does stem conduct waters and minerals? We can prove this with the help of few activities. For this activity we require 2 white flowers and red and blue ink. We kept the flower in red and the blue ink, and after few hours we observe whether there will be change. Next we will observe that the flower that is dipped in the blue ink, we observe the petals become little bit blue, and the flower that is dipped in red ink, we observe it becomes little bit slight red color. So this shows that when we dipped the white flower in red and blue ink, the ink conduct to the stem of the flower, and it ultimately go to the petals of the flower. That's why the color of the petals get changes. There is one more activity. For this we take a white flower, split the stem into 2 parts, and kept one stem in the blue ink and other to the red ink. Now we will observe what happened to the color of the flower. We will observe that the stem that is dipped in the color, in this part we observe blue colors, and the stem that is dipped in the red ink, we observe the red colors in the flower petals. This happens because this part of the stem conduct blue color. That's why you observe blue color in the petals, and this part of the stem conducts red color, and that's why we observe slight red color in the petals. Now how the conduction takes place in case of the flower. So here first we kept the rose in the red ink, and here the arrow sign is showing how the red ink get conducted to the flower and how the color of the petals and leaves also get changed. You can easily observe first the leaves get changed, and here the petal color also get changed. One more activity is there. For this we require a herb and red ink. Here we cut one branch part of the herb and dipped in the red ink. After few hours we observed that the leaves, few red colored dots over the leaves. Now this happens because the red ink get conducted from the stem, and it ultimately goes to the leaves. Now if you cut one section of the stem, we will observe few red dots in this stem part. These red dots are nothing but the red ink. The ink, as it get conducted through this stem, we observe this red dots. So this also shows that the stem conducts water and minerals. Thank you.